I cannot count how many times I dropped the straw when I was spraying something with my bottle. Could be any kind of bottle. And now what I do is I get a droplet of super glue or cyanoacrylate. And when the bottle is new, I just put a droplet here. And the straw is fixed on the bottle forever. If you ever empty the bottle and want to reuse the straw, you just cut it nearby here and just put it on another bottle. That's how I do it. Also, if you have an older bottle, what you can do is just get some alcohol with a swab, clean around so you remove any sort of grease and apply that droplet of. I recommend you Gorilla, maybe super glue is very strong, but make sure you let it set at least half an hour just to be sure. Just once it's fully set, you will never ever drop your straw again in the middle of the job. What a pleasure. Not to mention losing it somewhere inside the engine. Thanks for watching.